Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Teacher Omar Correa, and this is the video that I prepared for you, Classroom 71, Classroom 72. As you can see, we are starting a new unit number 4, and this video is for the grammar. We're going to study past simple of irregular verbs. Okay? As always, take notes. If you have any question, you can ask them in class. We have the past simple. The simple past tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The simple past is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and the action duration is not important. So the time that the action lasts is not really important. What is important that the action occurred in some point of the past. That is the use of a past simple. Irregular verbs. It's really important to understand that past simple have two different kind of verbs. Regular, which the ending is ed in past, and irregular verbs. So check it out. Some verbs are irregular. Their past form do not end in ed. So how do I know which verbs are regular and which are irregular? You have to learn them. They don't follow a structure. So you have to learn them, you have to study them, and you have to practice them. That is really, really, really important. It's not so bad. There aren't really so many verbs to learn, and remember that English is much easier than many other languages. Remember that. And I have a couple of examples for you. I took a taxi to the airport. Take is the base form of the verb, and as is an irregular verb, it changes to took. Second example, that was when we spoke. Speak is the base form of the verb, and on the past simple we change it to spoke. One person gave me his last bar of chocolate. Give is the base form of the verb, and gave is the past simple of those verbs. Remember, irregular verbs do not end in ed, and there is no structure for them. So you have to study them, you have to practice them. That is really, really important. Practice your irregular verbs, and after a couple of times you practice, you will learn that verb. Really, really, really important. And I have a list of common irregular verbs that we're going to be using in the unit. As you can see, we have three different categories. We have the present, which is the base form of the verb. We have the past form, which is what we're looking for, but it also has the past participle. So remember, in these three columns, we want to pay attention to the present column and the past column. And I have a couple of examples for you. Come is in the present, and come changes to came. Do changes to did. Drink to drank. Eat to ate. Get to got. Give, as I told you in the example, give changes to gave. Go in past is went. Learn in past is learned. Make changes to made. Run to ran. See to saw. Take changes to took. And write changes to wrote. Remember that we are going to need the verbs in past simple, not in present, not in participle. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope to see you in class, and I have to say bye bye. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.